Future of drones, it is very unlimited. I'm Steve Bracken, I work for Aviation Australia. I'm currently the sales and business development for RPAS, or Remotely Piloted Aircraft Systems. I did 10 years in the Army, flying Scan Eagle UAV, a very, very awesome little aircraft. Afghanistan 2009, we actually had guys flying a road, doing a reconnaissance for the following day. All they could see was the push bike on the side of the road. That sort of raised a few questions, where is he? And they couldn't see him no matter what they did. About an hour later, a square hole appeared right beside the push bike. It was the largest case ever discovered in Afghanistan, and it was all spotted by a drone. We'll see very soon in Melbourne skies unmanned taxis. We're already seeing crops being sprayed, life-saving, used to drop equipment out to swimmers. Some of the biggest jobs, surveying, would probably be the biggest. Then you're starting to look at agriculture. It is very unlimited.